clean this extremely dirty plushie today. First, we need to remove this plastic wrap and pop the balloon holding it all together. Look at all that mud. Let's rinse off the first layer of dirt with some fresh water. Now, time for a deep clean. We're adding some special liquid soap and giving it a thorough scrub with a wooden brush to break up the dried mud. Look at all those satisfying bubbles forming as we scrub the texture. Let's give it a good rinse to see what we're working with. Wow, it's actually a bright yellow bird plush. But we aren't done yet. Time for round 2. Let's add some white powder soap, pour on more water, and start massaging it deep into the fabric. Scrubbing down the wings, the belly, and the feet. Let's make sure every single spot is spotless. Now for the fun part. Let's cover it in thick shaving cream and add some colorful toy gems for extra flair. Time to squash, squeeze, and mix all the foam together. It's so fluffy and satisfying to watch. Let's squeeze out the excess soap and give it one final deep rinse in a tub of clean water. Wow, look at that. The face is completely clean, and the yellow fur is so vibrant. After a quick dry, our adorable yellow bird plushie is brand new, super